All right. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to use variables and user input in JavaScript. The goal here is really simple. We're going to ask the user for their name and then respond to them back by using the input. So first, I've already set up the basic HTML code. And inside the script tags, this is where our JavaScript is going to run. So we are going to go over here. We're just going to now I'm going to create a variable called name. Let's go over here. Let's just go back here. Let name and a variable is just a way to a variable is just a way to say is a way for us to just store information so that we can use it later in our code. So I'm going to use let name, and then I'm going to use a built-in function called prompt. So we're going to go ahead and put in prompt, and it's already in there. And okay, prompt is basically a pop-up that asks the user a question. So I'm going to write in the parentheses, what is your name? Once the user types in their name, and click OK, that value gets stored inside a variable called name. Now that we have the user's name, we can respond back to them. To do that, I'm going to use another built-in function to the user. So I'm going to say hello plus the name they entered. Now, when I save this file and run it in the browser, it's going to ask for my name first. But before we test it, let's finish it up. Let's go ahead and finish this up. So alert, and then we're going to have two parentheses here. And then we're going to put in quotations, hello, Melissa. Actually, no, sorry, I am wrong there. My mistake. And then you always put at the end of every parentheses a colon, or actually a semicolon, right? All right, so now let's go ahead and test it. So the first thing I want to do, which I always do, is I make sure that I save it. And then I'm going to go back over to my folder And I am going to open this up. And there you go, you see it. It's calling what is your name? So type my name, click OK. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my name in, Melissa, and then you're going to click OK. And that is the basic example of how variables and user input work in JavaScript. In the next exercise, we will build on this and start doing things like conditions and decision making. I hope this video helped, and I will see you on our next exercise. Thanks. Bye.